Did you know about 600 million cases of foodborne illness occur every year worldwide? Today, we will share 5 tips to avoid foodborne illness. The most important thing is cleanliness. Before touching or handling any food, you must wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. The area where you cook and the utensils also need to be cleaned with soap and water to get rid of any bacteria lying on the surface. It is important to note that you need to segregate different types of foods, such as meats, poultry, and vegetables. This will not only make your pantry look organized but also help to avoid your vegetables getting contaminated with organisms that are likely to grow in animal products. Temperature is key when storing food. Perishable foods like meats, dairy products, and leftovers should be kept at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. To kill the bacteria, you should cook foods to the recommended internal temperature. Look at the instructions for various kinds of foods, and you can use a thermometer to ensure proper cooking. If you make foods in large quantities, you should label them with their storage date to keep track of how long they have been in the fridge or freezer. I hope this was helpful. If you want to know more about such tips, follow eHealthy Info.